Hi Kritika, welcome to telechecker.com firstly. If you could tell us something about your association with Peace.
Nothing too much, yeah. It's just a sweet call that I got from the college, and I like the cause and I like why they were doing it, how they were doing it, and I'm here.
Mrs. Leah, she has taken such a good cause initiative for creating peace in the world, and I'm very happy if I could lend my support, I could contribute my bit towards it, because it is such a great cause and I feel that we all should give our support to her.
It's an initiative taken by a very supportive lady, and it should just go on. It's a message of peace, whiteness, which should be spread all around, and such events should be really put, and even Miss India really works towards all about peace and everything. So I really think that me being a part of this association really means sense, and it's an advantage to me.
I think what these guys are doing is amazing. So जब भी मुझे phone आता है, I see to it that I'm here because I believe in peace.
Do you think that this initiative actually would make a difference in the society?
Of course, every initiative, every step makes a difference. So we need to stop thinking that you don't need to do really great things all the time. Everything makes a difference. It's a very good cause and a very good platform to spread this words of peace. So it's like my pleasure to be associated with this cause.
You see, it's a chain reaction. You do something good, I speak about it, then other person listens. Out of 10 people, only 5 people start believing in it. And this harmony, I would say the right word is a harmonious kind of a atmosphere. Keeps on spreading its tentacles everywhere, and then love overpowers all, I believe.
Ashmit, firstly, welcome to telechecker.com. Firstly, I would like to know about your association with this initiative.
I, on my part, am here just to give the initiative real awareness through whichever way that I can. I think if the world was more peaceful, we'd all be much happier people. So it's a small step from my side to help garner peace in the world.
I've always wanted to be part of charitable causes and offer as much support and help and encouragement in my capacity to such causes, which is why I'm here today.
I got swayed with emotions and I thought I'd walk with kids, and the best part is that all the proceeds go to an NGO. I'm going to be walking with kids. I love kids. I'm like a kid in my own head. Plus it's got a great tie-up with Kia, who's got One Life Alliance, a noble body which is in US of A. It's a tie-up here. So in short, sinners like us are going to get purified after this walk.
Me as a designer contributing to something like this would be a privilege for me. So I actually wanted to associate it, and then that's how the whole collaboration happened.
Do you think this really helps, these kind of initiatives really help?
Well, our hope and our wish is that it does help. But I think if every person just decides to be peaceful within themselves, you can make a sea change. As actors, we obviously face a lot of, we get a lot of love from our fans, but we also face a lot of brickbats. We get a lot of abuse hurled at you as well, and now with Twitter and social media being so prominent in our lives, it is very easy for people to attack you. And I've seen Mr. Bachchan getting attacked. Mr. Shah Rukh Khan recently went off Twitter because he was being attacked. I think that's really, it's horrible that people actually do that. And I, on my part, choose not to react to stuff like that. I think peace is the only way. Should be a lover, not a fighter.
Do you think it really makes a difference?
Yes, I think that the key to any sort of difference is awareness, and it's events like this that people sort of pick up the papers and read about, and it sort of leaves them with a hopeful note, or at least that's what I hope.
I believe as long as people are talking about things, as long as we're communicating, as long as we're not apathetic, as long as we're talking, whichever way it takes. We've always noticed that any kind of communication with our short attention spans, it requires some amount of glamour. Sometimes it requires some amount of something that will interest people to work around it so that the larger message gets across. It's something I work by on radio. I believe in infusing a lot of humor to put across a serious point. So sometimes I think events like this is a great idea to bring out what you actually want to say while you're entertaining the public. I think it's fabulous.
Anything like this makes a difference. If it's a small one, it definitely makes a difference because it's people like us who can set examples, who can offer our help, and be part of such causes to raise more awareness, as much awareness which is needed and required to support and encourage such causes.
If you can change yourself, if you can love somebody, if you can do something that you've not been used to doing, if you've hated and if you can love, I think that's more important. So I think we can all make a change individually.